This is your Feel Good Breakfast Show, Expresso on SABC3. Thanks for joining us at the start of a brand new day. Now, while South Africans from all walks of life have understandably had to focus solely on their month-to-month or even day-to-day survival, it's important that those who have been financially impacted by COVID-19 also take some time to consider and plan their futures beyond the national lockdown. And so, to assist clients in this regard, Nedbank are offering multiple relief measures to those who have been affected and struggling to meet their home loan repayments. And here to provide more insight on these options that are available is Tozama Mochadibani from Nedbank. So great to have you with us. Thank you so much for joining us.
Good morning, Katlego. Thank you very much for having me.
So Tozama, Nedbank is offering debt relief measures, commonly referred to as payment holidays, for those who have been adversely affected financially so by COVID-19. So let's talk about who qualifies for this.
Thank you. All our Nedbank home loans customers who have been impacted by the COVID-19 restrictions qualify for the different debt relief measures in place, dependent on their personal circumstances.
So that being said, if somebody had a bond for, let's say, R1 million and they're struggling to make their month-to-month payments, what options do they have to consider, and how will the payment holiday structure or restructure work for them?
We've got three options readily available. The first option is in an event of a temporary loss of income, where customers can defer their monthly installments up to 100% for a period of 3 months. In the event of a partial reduction of income or where household income has been impacted, customers can defer monthly installments up to 50% for the period of 3 months. In the event of permanent loss of income through retrenchment or small business closures, we've got our call center agents who will engage customers towards a long-term solution. As we do this, customers' credit profile are not impacted. This will not have a negative profile. At the end of the 3 months, Nedbank will then do what we call an automatic restructure. And what this automatic restructure does is that it will spread the accumulated amount over the period of the home loan term and make sure that customers have a fresh start and a clean slate. It is also important that in an event where customers are able to continue paying, they do so. We are reminded that, the interest, the fees, and the insurance continue to accumulate over this period. So it is absolutely important that customers are made aware, and if they can, to continue paying.
Well, I think it's wonderful news on two fronts, not just that these payment restructures are available, but that they won't be impacting your credit profile at the end of the day as well. Now, how long will these automatic restructures of payment be in place, or is it something that you're going to, as a bank, take on a case-by-case assessment?
Okay. For now, payment holidays are for a period of 3 months. However, we remain guided by the COVID-19 regulation guidelines, whether we can go beyond the 3 months. In the event customers need our help beyond the 3 months, it is important that they contact us so that we can go through the situation together.
Now, unfortunately, because of the lockdown, because of COVID-19, some people have been retrenched and lost their employment permanently. What happens to someone like that?
We've got our skilled debt relief call agents who will handhold our customers. In the event of our customers forming part of our professional banking or small business clientele, they've got their relationship managers who will take them through this process. We are also working with our counterparts at Nedbank Insurance to handhold those customers who have got retrenchment cover, to say that for those customers, they would have already received a specific email or SMS that would alert them to this.
I think all round great news to hear how Nedbank is helping its clients out throughout this very, very challenging times. And speaking of which, where can those clients go to find out if they qualify for these payment restructuring options and also explore more options that are available to them?
We are available on our Nedbank website page, where we've got a dedicated COVID-19 page that talks to the different debt relief programs. Customers who have the Nedbank Money app also have access to that information. There is also our dedicated call center line where our customers can reach us. And should customers not have access to these different platforms, our Nedbank branches that are currently operational are available to provide that information. As we actively participate in flattening the curve, not all our branches are open. So it is important that they check that first.
Absolutely. Memo Charibani, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you very much.
So to explore the financial relief options that are available to you, you can go online via the Nedbank website or the Money app, or you can call the dedicated debt relief call center number. That is, of course, 0860 110 702. I'll say that number again for you, 0860 110 702.
So I'm chatting to Umalume Musa here. He's owned a small clothing factory for years now, and he's always inspired me with his success. But like a lot of businesses, this lockdown's hit him hard. So he spoke to his banker, and they've put together a tailor-made relief solution for him to help his business and his people get through this. Making your bank your business partner, that's a habit worth keeping.